Welcome to G&M Auto Repair Service and Transmission. I'm Nino Malamo, one of the owners here. We are a family-owned and operated shop. Gordon Bouchard is the other owner here. He and I combined have over 60 years of experience working on all kinds of vehicles. Other technicians make up our great staff. We work on all makes and models of vehicles and provide all kinds of service from transmission repair and replacement to brakes, oil changes, alignments, and much more. Our goal is to make sure your vehicle is safe to drive for you and your family, and to maintain it properly to get the most miles out of it. G&M Auto Repair Service and Transmission is in Bellevue, just off Bell Red Road at 1517 134th Avenue Northeast. Like us on Facebook and follow us on YouTube. We are G&M Auto Repair Service and Transmission. Come see us.